How to customize controls in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can make different changes in the control. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the top, there's a section of controls. Simply tap on controls, and here this is the place where you can customize it. Here there are different ways you can control the game, so here you can choose the one that you like. At last, here on the bottom, tap on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.